need white people at all. How true is that exactly? Because, as I recall, it took white
Here we
people
go.
fighting a civil war to end your slavery.
Bro, what are you talking about?
You're welcome. And if you really think you don't need white people at all, by all means, move back to Niger, Congo, Zimbabwe, wherever
Wait, hold on a second. Did you not look in the mirror?
it is that you're originally from, and go see how much you like it. Have fun with that.
Yeah, I think
We definitely
Not funny. Not funny. But here's the thing though. Here's the thing. First and foremost, the whole fighting for us, we know that's cap. We know that's a lie. We know that's a lie. You guys, most of y'all wasn't even here. Most of y'all weren't even here. So I don't even know what that's supposed to mean. I don't even know what that means. You weren't even here, buddy. Most of y'all came here on Ellis Island and Angel Island. And the second thing is, y'all doubling down, tripling, doubling down. Like, dog, oh man, I'm trying my best not to say certain things on here. You triple and doubling down, trying to convince the world, right? Telling the world that we're from African origin. We're not from there. You know, and then what about the free people of color? What about the free people? What about the indigent servants and the people, the pale, hold on a second. The particular group, like yourself, look in the mirror, that was also, that you were released. You was emancipated. People like yourself that look like you were emancipated. Y'all trying to take this whole thing, but y'all going with Hollywood. Like, you trying to go with how the world views it versus what actually took place. And you're trying to make it seem you had so many false premises. Dang, man. False premise on false premise on false premise on false premise. They don't know what they talking about. They don't know what they talking about. You got newcomers coming over here thinking they more American than us. Let me say this one more time. You got a bunch of newcomers, him like this buddy right here, that think they more American than us. All right? This is truly how they feel too. This is truly how they feel too. No funny business, which is crazy to me. But I've been doing research on a lot of stuff. And I just been kind of thinking, like, y'all know, like, did you know just a couple things, like when these ports, quote unquote, open? So y'all claim that Britain brought us over here, but that's not even true. It's not even true. Wasn't King George melanated? And Charlotte was melanated? And they had a whole Netflix series about it. And then y'all start spazzing, talking about how she was looking like y'all and stuff like that. They had a whole Netflix series speaking about Charlotte. But y'all was spazzing out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta stop. Chill. Chill, man. It's okay. It's okay. Y'all thought y'all was that dumb people, but you're not. All right? Gotta know the difference between a criminal and a person that creates civilization. There's two different people. Okay? I hope you know that. If you didn't know that,
don't need white people.
now you know it.
crime in America is on the rise. It has been since the civil rights movement. We were all getting along and prospering, and yeah,
Getting along.
blah, blah, blah. Next thing you know, civil
We wanted to be left alone because y'all kept sabotaging us.
rights come and the free at last, free at last. Next thing you know, we can't put a cap on it because racism. Oh no. No, everyone's racist if they call out this behavior.
Your ancestors are not from here. You're not supposed to be putting a cap on nothing.
Now, there have been some black advocates who have said, well,
Ain't y'all like by default taking the spoils of a crime?
not my people. We've been going to church and we're going to make our people better. We're going to improve our situation.
See, I think y'all confused, right? You can't establish a civilization on deception. I think a person that creates civilization would know that. You can't establish a civilization on deception. Once you establish on survival of the fittest, you didn't take into account so many different things. Like, I don't think I took into account a lot of stuff. I don't think so.
Situation through means of our own. A lot of the times, though, you will see people blaming whites for their issues, whether they're black or Asian or Indian, etc., etc. They will blame whites for their shortcomings.
Another thing, YT is not a race, okay? It's not a nation. Let's put it like that. It's not a nation. It's not a nation. Name the nations you're talking about. Name the nations you are talking about. All right?
What I'm advocating for here with this racial accountability is that our own people care for our own people. Our own people build each other up. And you might say, well, why does it have to be your own race? Why does that even matter, Adam? Why? It just so happens that we understand our own people the best. Black crime in America.
Do you? I don't believe that. In race, it's not a nation. So YT is not a nation. Black is not a nation. White is not a nation. Black is not a nation. What is your nation? What is your people? What is your type? What is, like, your kind? You get what I'm saying? Like, for us, we different over here. I don't know about you. I don't know about y'all. But us, who y'all keep trying to put us in Africa, we different. We different than every other group on this earth. Every other group. Context, history, all that. The things we have done, how people literally are over in our land, talking crazy, doing some wild stuff, doing experiments, all types of crazy stuff. It's pretty evident. Doggone. I think you would know that. I think y'all would know that.
America is the most dangerous country there is, to be honest. I don't think.
Is it dangerous because of the original people of the land, or is it dangerous because of the immigrants that come to the land that's from other places? Which one?
Nigeria is as dangerous as America. Nowhere near. You can get robbed out here for sure.
I've been noticing a lot of y'all streamers, y'all still at it. Y'all been promoting Africa.
But niggas ain't splitting no wigs like that you do in America. So if anybody is thinking about coming out here, just put it up, man.
I've been seeing what y'all doing too, man. Y'all not slick. Y'all streamers been definitely promoting Africa, man. That stuff. No, we need to support our nation. Why are you trying to build up somebody else's nation? That sounds like you gave up. That's what it sounds like. That sounds like you don't know what your nation is. Sound like you probably should stop doing that. All right? If you really for them, well, you can't play both sides. But groups of people are out here trying to, nations are trying to ethnocide our people.
Sophia.
I'm African American.
African American.
I knew you would.
Both my parents are Ghanaian.
I knew it.
But I'm born here in America.
Simple as that. Coming over here saying that how we identify is the same thing how they can identify. Okay? That sounds like ethnocide. What can I claim that they can't claim? That they're not trying to claim. Let's be honest. All right? Y'all are neglecting intent of a foreign nation, what they're doing to your own people. You're pretending there's no negative intent, which means either you're money hungry or you're being willfully obtuse.
Everyone's trying to act like they're black nowadays.
What's up, y'all?
I see what the elders went through when they stopped doing certain music genres. I see y'all know how you just kind of sit and think, you be thinking to yourself, like, I see why the elders had to move on and stuff like that. Like, we'll make something, then somebody else try to do it, and we'll be like, we not doing that no more. Yeah, that's how I be feeling.
We ain't create nothing or something like that. I mean,
Americans are obsessed with black people. It's clear. Even the racist ones. We are obsessed with black people.
Translation, when they say black people, they saying Indians. They are obsessed with us Indians of America. And man, salute to the kinfolk that, you know, when you realize what was going on, you realize doggone. But it's a massive hole. This is a massive hole. And a lot of people do not know what's going on. But they figuring it out though. We figuring it out. But years ago, it was like, ooh wee. Ooh wee. But y'all have a good one though. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you know, do all those things like that. We're gonna have the next video. All right. Peace.